GoHighLevel is a powerful platform for managing and automating marketing activities for a social media marketing agency. Here's how to use it effectively. Client onboarding. Use GoHighLevel's CRM tools to onboard clients. You can create sub-accounts for each client, offering a personalized dashboard for easy management of their campaigns, leads and funnels. Funnels and websites. Build customized funnels and landing pages for your clients using the drag-and-drop funnel builder. GoHighLevel lets you create sales pages, opt-in forms, and thank you pages to optimize conversions for your clients' campaigns. Automated workflows. Set up automated email and SMS sequences to nurture leads. Automations can be triggered by actions like form submissions, making client communication seamless and consistent. Lead generation. Use GoHighLevel's form builder to collect leads from landing pages, social media, or ads. These leads automatically get added to the CRM, allowing you to track and follow up efficiently. Client reporting. GoHighLevel provides reporting tools to track campaign performance, showing metrics like email open rates, funnel conversions, and more. This helps SMMA owners provide valuable insights to clients. Appointment scheduling. Use the built-in calendar and booking tools to schedule meetings or calls with clients and prospects, improving client communication.